Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will start now. Open Google Authenticator and grant camera access if prompted. Make sure the account page with the QR code is already displayed on your computer or printed next to you. That avoids switching screens. Once done, tap the plus icon or Add Account, then choose Scan a QR code. This immediate action gets you into scanning mode quickly, and it speeds the process because you won't waste time toggling between apps. Aim your phone camera at the QR code and keep the code steady. Small movements can blur the square and prevent scanning. If the app doesn't detect the code within a few seconds, tap the manual entry option and type the secret key exactly, because accuracy matters. Once Authenticator recognizes the code, it will show the account label and a 6-digit rotating code. Verify the account name matches the service so you link the correct login. Complete setup by entering the current 6-digit code into the website or app prompt. This confirms the token pairing. If the service rejects the code, make sure your phone's time is set to automatic and synced, because time drift breaks one-time passwords. Finally, store backup codes or export your Authenticator accounts before you reset or replace the phone. That prevents lockout. If anything goes wrong, rescan the QR or use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.